Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides. Cash stuffing of my sinking funds for the month of March 2022, paycheck number 2. Hello everybody, and welcome back. Y'all, I'm so happy for my wonderful subscribers. Y'all, you are wanted and appreciated. So thank you so much for coming on this channel. And if you're new here on Roxy Rose Guides, I guide you through all things budget, finance, debt payoff, along with some other stuff I'm trying to get into, y'all. I recorded this video right after the last video. You can go ahead and look up there. And I still can't find my nail polish remover. I try to look again. I can't find it. So I'm just looking all kind of scratchy right now, but it's all good. Today we will be going ahead and stuffing our sinking funds, because last time we definitely stuffed our savings challenges last time, but I want to make sure these sinking funds are stuffed as well. So that's something that's super special, and I'm super glad about that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this right now. So we have some money that we got from the bank. This weird pouch that I saved from buying these actual cash envelope binders from AliExpress. So let's get into that. Let's see, we have a total of 51, 52, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, no, 380, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 4. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have $425 here that we're going to be stuffing into our different funds. We'll try our best to make sure all of that is done correctly and the right way. So, Pearl, let's start with Pearl. Pearl is looking glistening. She is full and thick as ever, okay? And I'm really glad, because we need this money to start rolling in. And I'm glad that I don't have to really worry about credit cards so much. So more money can really go towards these sinking funds and saving for the future. So we have emergency. I'm going to put a good $20. I'm hoping I could put, maybe not $20. I'll put a good $20. Put a good $20 into, maybe $40 into emergency fund. Yep. You know what? I'm going to take that back. I'm going to take back $40. I'm going to put $50. And then put a $20 here. Yep. So that's going to be good. That's for emergency. So emergency has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 215. 215 in emergency. We have car maintenance. I actually should be taking some stuff out of car maintenance, because I definitely got an oil change. So I'm going to put 50. So 50, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So $130 in car maintenance, which will probably be depleted very soon. Then we have home renovation. Home renovation will get $50. I'm hoping to do something soon. So 51, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's $145 in renovation. Vacation, which will be coming up soon. Y'all, we're almost like 2-3 weeks away from vacation. I think it's 2 weeks and a half or something. So I'm gonna put a good 50. So 100, Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh. What the? Oh no, no, no. Okay. Oh, I gotta fix this. Hold on, y'all. Oh. Oh my gosh, that makes me so sad. I don't think I've ever ripped a thing like that before. Just counting. Oh, oh, this is sad. Oh, I got to take this back to the bank because I don't even want this no more now. All right. 100, 200, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 470, 475. So 475. We get into 100, 500 very soon, but we're not there yet. Oh, man, I'm so sad I ripped that up. Then we have investments. Investments, I'm going to put a good 40 in there. Investments need some. So investments, we got 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 55, 160, 65. Taxes. I've got to put a good 40 into taxes. That's going to be for this month and for, well, this week and next week. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45. But 45 for taxes so far, which is good. I want to make sure I'm not like pulling too much money at the end for taxes. So Big Bertha, other than that horrible bill that was ripped, is filled and ready to go. Looking mighty thick, curvaceous, if you will, you know what I mean? And then let's go into, what was I about to call her? Bonice. Oh my gosh. Bridget. Now let's get into Bridget. Bridget is ready to go ahead and be stuffed so she can go back to the spa where she's going to relax for the day. So we have holiday, which I'm not sure what holiday is coming up next. I mean, there's spring, there's Easter. I don't know. So I'm going to put actually $20 here and put 10 back because I don't know. I'm saving for something, but I don't know what it is. So I'd like to know what that is before I start like plunging towards it. Then we have Boss. It's my business. It's my business. I would like to put some money into there. So I'd put a nice 20 to this one. So we have 50, 100, 120. It's my business. Then we have date night. Date night we don't have a lot. I'm going to put $40 into that. We're probably going to go on a date before we go to Japan. Right? Maybe? I don't know. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145. That's a good date. 145? Yeah. Included tip? Yeah. Birthday. Birthday would probably get the rest of my money, to be honest. I'm going to get a good 40. So birthday is 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So 80 for birthday. Then we have Costco. Costco's going to get a good $10. So you have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 for Costco. And I am planning on getting some new glasses from Costco, so I hope that works out. Self-care. I'm going to put a good $5 into self-care. So now we have 50, 70, 80, 95. $95 for self-care. Gifts. which I don't know whose gifts are coming up. Somebody's gifts are coming up. They can get $5. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80 gifts. Miscellaneous, which is just random savings. I might get rid of miscellaneous because, to be honest, it's probably best that the money goes specifically somewhere. And I could just take this money and put it elsewhere. You know what? I'll fill it. And we'll see from there if there's any bills or anything that need to come out. So I had 40, and I'm going to add a 5 to it. So it'll be 45. 20, 30, 40, 45. Then we have this at the end, our mystery envelope. I'm going to add a good $10 to this one. So 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 90. We have some extra coins. I'm going to put one more towards this. That makes it 95. One more to self-care. That makes it 100. And one more to Costco, because I am getting those glasses. Even Bridget is getting a bit thickums here. These are growing. So hopefully my next video will be a bill exchange. I also have to go ahead and get rid of some savings challenges, so I will keep posted. But these are 2 very filled envelopes. I'm really, really glad about that. That's a blessing. Okay. And I thank you guys for joining me on this Sinky Fun Stuffing. Take care. God bless. Roxy Rose out.